Hi guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna react to a brand new released by Diana. I think this track is called It Is Here. Video premiere official 2025. So with this being said, let's go. Peace. Like this woman always come to deliver with some very excellent music. A music that puts a smile on your face, a music that literally propels some great messages. Okay, she never fails when it comes on to delivering her music, right? So this is Diana, and this is what we know about Diana, right? She always comes with some excellent music, music that leads you to smile and have a like, yo, she's extraordinary, bro. She's extraordinary. Her stories are always some influential story, right? And I love the way how she writes her songs, right? The Diana that we all know is back, right? She hasn't been anywhere, but she's back with the bangers we all know her for, okay? And I do love the fact that she came out giving us music that we all can relate to. We have to give thanks for that, bro. Because it's not every day we've met a Diana and she's giving us these type of music. So that is the reason why I always came back to listen to what she have to say to us, bro. And trust me, we always learn something new from Diana. Always. She's that force to reckon with, bro. Yo, she's a queen of vocals. Trust me, she's a very excellent vocalist, right? When she pulls those notes out of her, right? It creates such an a big force, right? Because you can feel what she's saying, right? You can literally engulf your body with flames, bro, because that's what she does, right? She sings with flame, with such heat surrounding her. Your body just get the intention to feel hot because of what she gives, right? Her musical journey is a fascination. She always makes sure that whenever time she gives us music, it's the best version of herself. And I do love the best version of Diana, right? She's that type of person. Always making sure that her music dominates, right? So the fans can come back. And I'm a big fan. I'm a Jamaican, but I'm a big fan. Like nothing at all can stop me to not react to Diana music. Nothing. Unless the breath is not in my body, but she's that type of person. You always dare to want more and more and more. And the more you listen, the more you want, right? So it's something that we all do love about her. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Then I've done it again, bro. She has done it again. And this is such a great music, right? Something that we all can listen to 24/7 to give us the great impression of the song, bro. So, people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction.